Hello everybody. Well, you're just in time to watch me finish another of my whips. I'm just doing this very carefully because I'm just going to be sewing up one of the hospice hearts. And I'm sewing it up carefully because I'm going to be stuffing this with stuffing. I've got my stuffing ready on the floor down there. And before I go any further, I've got to put a bit of stuffing in there. Make it nice and plump. It's not quite as plump as the other side. Here we are. It's nice and plump. And then I'll carry on sewing, and we've got to stuff it as I go along as well, which is going to be fun. I'm just carefully picking up the stitches on this bit, and then I'll be sewing up down the front as well, so I'll be stuffing some more in a minute. Okay, let's get some more stuffing in. Goodness me. I need a bit more on that side. I'm not putting too much in the middle at the moment because I have got to sew it up. And I don't know whether you can see, I'm just picking up the edge of the stitch on each side. And just starting to bring it all together. This is one item I can't actually crochet together. Oh, come on, in you go. Okay, let's just get the last bit of stuffing in the bottom. This is where it gets to be fun, because I could be losing the end of the yarn if I'm not careful. I think I might have a bit too much in here because I'm stretching the stitches a bit. But hey ho, it's the first one, so I'm still learning. Let me tuck that one inside, out of the way, and stitch over the top. Right, and just to finish off, we just need to take it up that way a bit. And there we have one hospice heart. All done.
Ooh.
And it actually turned out far better than I thought it was going to, because I thought I was making a pig's ear of it.
Give it a
but
twirl.
I actually didn't.
Give it
Sorry.
a twirl. There you go.
There we go. You can barely, you can just see the seam down the back. Just about make out the seam down the back. I've tried to keep it quite tight. There we go. Nice puffy little soft little heart. I should be making more of these. Thank you so much, Wilma, for the pattern. Really appreciated it. I've enjoyed that. I might not do any for a little while because I've still got a few other things to get sorted. But thank you. Okay. And thank you everybody for following and supporting me. Take care now. See you soon. Bye.